how to create colourful lines in Affinity Photo. Create a new document, then go to Layer menu and New Layer. Fill the layer via the Edit menu and fill with black. Go to Filter menu, Colours and Procedural Texture. Go to the middle left of the panel and click the plus to create an equation. Turn on the R, G and B at the end of the equation. In the equation field, type smoothsc. There are many other smooth functions available via the Affinity Photo help. Add a round bracket, then add Rx times A, which is a custom input, divided by W, the width, comma, B and an end bracket. Create the custom inputs via the bottom of the panel. Click R for the A and click the 0,1 for the B. Set B to 1 for very blurry lines and set B to 0 for very sharp lines. Increase or decrease A to change the number of lines. You can vary it a little bit by putting brackets around the RX. To create diagonals, you could do RX plus RY or RX minus RY. You can also put 1.4 times RX or 1.5 times RY or minus 1.5 times RY, etc. The angle of the lines will then change. Reduce the value of A to get less lines. Put it back to RX. I want to create two additional equations, one for the green and the blue channel, using exactly the same equation. Select the top equation and copy. To add two additional equations, go to the middle left of the panel and click the plus twice. By default, the equations are created with 0. Select the 0 and paste the equation into the green and the blue channels. Go to the right of the panel and you can see RGB. Set the first line to red or R. Set the second line to G only and the third line to B only. You have your red, green and blue equations. Create some new custom inputs for the equations. B is going to remain consistent across all the equations. Click the R twice to create a C and a D. Set the values for those. Go back to the green and change the A into a C, and for the blue, change the A to a D. As you vary the A, the C and D, you will see colourful lines. Increase or decrease the values as required. Go to the top right and create a preset via the right side menu and then click Apply. There you have your super colourful lines. You can recolour them or go to the Filters menu and Deform and Mirror. Interactively change the origin point, change the number of mirrors, change the input. Click Apply to create a very dramatic design. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Please subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel. Always add in new tutorials about Affinity Photo. Please add a comment or two. Please add a dislike or like. Thank you much.